Why are HVAC repairs more expensive during winter? They often cost more because cold weather creates higher demand, limited appointment availability, and extra safety or emergency work. When temperatures drop, many heating systems fail at the same time, so heating technicians receive far more calls than usual. This can make regular appointments harder to schedule and may lead to emergency service charges. Contractors may also need to work after hours, on weekends, or during holidays, which increases labor costs. Some repairs cost more because winter exposes problems that were hidden during warmer months, such as cracked heat exchangers, blocked vents, frozen pipes, or weak electrical parts. A furnace that has been neglected may need several repairs at once instead of one simple replacement. A lesser-known issue is that some equipment parts become harder to obtain during peak heating season, so contractors may need to pay extra for fast shipping or temporary replacement equipment. You can lower the risk by scheduling a heating inspection before winter, changing filters regularly, keeping outdoor equipment clear, and responding quickly to strange sounds, unusual smells, or weak airflow. Ask for a written estimate that separates labor, parts, emergency fees, and any recommended work. One common mistake is waiting until the furnace stops working, so arrange seasonal maintenance before cold weather begins. Another mistake is choosing the lowest estimate without checking what it includes, so compare warranties, part quality, labor charges, and licensing. People also sometimes ignore a carbon monoxide alarm or a burning smell, but those can signal serious danger, so turn off the system, leave the home if needed, and contact a qualified professional or emergency service. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.